completely out of frustration. I was about to give up, honestly, but this fucking accident right here that I made, not cutting the overhang off, actually kind of saved me, because the extra planks from these are the perfect height to keep the bed elevated and flush with air. And now I'm thinking, with the hinging part that goes over the seat there, I'm thinking that I could actually narrow it down a little bit, and that's where my feet go. And my feet overhang over the seat, and it'll be a lot easier of a hinge because I need to be a lot less precise because my feet, fuck my feet. Who needs feet anyways? Fuck you. But yeah, this is fucking sick, dude. Tragedy struck. Fuck. Ugh. This is why you have proper tools. Christ almighty. Alright. Yeah, this is why you have proper tools. Pick you up and show you what happened here. My doohickey broke. I pressed too hard when it was folded down to try to attach a brace so this guy could, you know, have more strength in him. That's going to be a load-bearing plank, but I fucking snapped that piece of wood. Fuck, where the hinges were. Not too distraught. I wanted to redo the hinges. Fuck. I'm going to finish up the rest of this and then come back to that, but I think I could make a better system than that. Waste of time, candor and lies for what I left behind. I know the price was high. Waste of time, candor and lies. was in a homeless situation, which I'm not, but if I was, this would be the finished product. Right here, because my feet go down on my seat just fine, and could serve a lot more material if I kept the extension off. But since I'm not in a homeless situation, I can blow all the expenses and make something really nice. I'm sorry for the ass shot, but I gotta get this screwed in. It's shaky up here. I know one thing that you don't really think about is how hard is it to fucking put up. And that's a huge factor. Oh yeah, this is, shit. This is gonna be tough to get in and out. Now in theory it fucking is a slide-in conversion. In practice, not so much. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, easy, easy. Fuck yeah. Oh, fuck off. Yeah, that's fucking easy. Sturdy and delicate at the same time. Oh. I mean, fuck. Oh, dude. Oh, dude! Holy shit! I mean, almost. My goal is to have it fit into the trunk, and it almost does. But I can get 2 people, and I'm happy. I'm proud of myself. It looks like shit. It probably is shit, but oh, that's fucking sweet. I could see myself getting very frustrated trying to take this thing in and out a lot. Yep. Oh God, my leg's cramping. Oh my God. Oh, it works. It fucking works. Oh, uh-oh. It's a little low on my left side. It's so janky. This is so fucking janky. That being said, it works though. I could definitely see myself sleeping in it with a mattress. Yeah, and it supports my body weight. Oh, this brings back a lot of memories. I feel like this wood is gonna give out over time. Oh, fuck. It's like creaking, making noises already. That is not a good sign. And then some of the legs, it needs more work. It honestly does. I was expecting it to be like that, but I mean, if I do this, oh, that's a lot more comfortable. But anyways, fuck, I'm so fucking tired. If you have the option, don't build something, buy a cot. It's so much easier just to fucking measure your car out and then buy a cot and then make that work than to build something. Because this took me 5 hours, more like seven hours. And I had to find all the bits. I had to find all the wood. I had to cut everything. I had to make it myself pretty much. While a cot is, you know, you just kind of buy it. And even if it is $100, $150, that's a lot better than, you know, this fucking setup. But, I mean, I can modify this one a lot more than a prefabricated thing will allow me. But I don't know, this feels a little jank, and I would rather be in a cot, to be completely honest. But, you know, I'm fucking exhausted. I don't even know if I like this, to be completely honest. For the video, we're gonna see it out. I do feel pretty proud that I was able to get this. You know, I was able to get it built, take video at the same time. I've never done that before. That was troublesome. And we are gonna spend the night in it sometime. We are going to complete this build and test it out. See if a cot's really worth it. I remember when I was traveling the country, I was in Nevada, and that's when I had a cot, a camping cot. It's like a Coleman something or other, and it didn't completely fit all the way in my car. I had a 2001 Honda Fit. It didn't fit exactly, it like worked. I don't know, it was weird. It worked, but it didn't work at the same time. But it was a lot better just to be able to fucking move, thrash around. and not have to worry about anything creaking or fucking up when you're sleeping. This thing feels sturdy, but not at the same time, if that makes sense. It's like an old fucking ship. An old piece of furniture, really. I mean, that's basically what it's fucking made out of. Oh. I just want to take a nap here. I really see why all those fucking obnoxious rich people from LA have these insane builds in their vehicles. Because they have the fucking money to do this, and this kind of sucks. Alright. Watch me get the fuck out of here. Ooh, wait a minute. Alright, hold up. Oh, this is my desk. You know, can I have a plank of wood that I had and just fucking... Oh. Hey guys, it's Future Miles here, editing mode. I just finished the video. This has been my first major video project in years, honestly, and I feel pretty good about myself. I used an actual camera for once instead of an old cell phone. I used a real editing software instead of some piece of shit that I had. Stay tuned for more videos. I do have another camping video planned, another build video planned. Yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Fuck you.